Scatter plots, Lesson 9.1. The standard is 8SP1. The objective is to construct and make conjectures about scatter plots. The essential question: how are patterns used when comparing two quantities? Vocabulary: Bivariate data. Data with two variables like height and shoe size. So we're going to look at the type of association. So if I look at my first graph and I'm reading from left to right, I see that my graph is going up. So this is a positive association. If I look at the second graph, I'm still reading from left to right. I see that my graph is going down. So this is a negative association. Now if I look at the last graph, I see that there's no relationship at all. So this is no association. Now linear versus nonlinear. I know that linear forms a line, nonlinear does not form a line. So if I look at the first graph, I have a line being formed. So this is a linear graph. The second graph, I see that there is no line being formed. So this is non-linear. Vocabulary: scatter plot shows the relationship between bivariate data graphed as ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. The outlier is a value that lies outside most of the other values in a set of data. So if you look at the graph below, you can see that the outlier is far away from the cluster. Example number 1. Interpret the scatter plot of the data for the amount of memory in an MP3 player and the cost based on the shape of distribution. So if I look at the graph, I notice that as the amount of memory increases, the cost increases. So amount of memory increases, the cost increases. Therefore, the scatter plot shows a positive association. Now, linear association, I also notice that the data appears to lie close to a line, so the association is linear. Other patterns. There appears to be a cluster of data. 1 to 2 gigabytes of memory cost between $30 and $75. There does not appear to be an outlier. So I have a cluster of data with no outlier. Example number 2. Interpret the scatter plot of the data for the time elapsed and temperature of water based on the shape of the distribution. So if I look at the graph, I notice that as the time increases, the temperature of the water decreases. So I have time increasing and I have temperature decreasing. So the scatter plot shows a negative association. Now for linear association, I see that the data appears to lie close to a line, so the association is linear. Other patterns. There are no clusters and no outliers. Example number 3. Interpret the scatter plot of the data for the 2 weeks in May and the amount of ice cream sold at a shop based on the shape of the distribution. So as I look at my graph, I notice that there's no relationship. So there does not appear to be any variable association. And the graph is neither linear nor nonlinear. And for the patterns, I do not see any clusters and I don't see any outliers.